What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you guys saw from the title, today's video is going to be all of my favorite Amazon crafting and t-shirt making items, okay? So the first item is going to be nothing too big, but it's something that I use on the regular. Okay, it's this Frisco, what's it called? Frisco Craft heat transfer tape. Say you want to do a print and cut and you have words separated from the actual image itself and you want to be able to transfer it without pulling off every individual piece. You would take the heat transfer tape, you would put it over your image. I'm going to make a video showing you exactly how to use this. And then you would take the image, lay it flat down to the shirt, press it, and then the tape will peel off because the image will be adhered to the shirt. I love this. I can do this without spending so much time pulling every letter off, pulling every piece off, doing all that. So I love this. So mind you, all these items I'll have in the description. That's actually a good price. I'm not really sure. I can't even remember. It'll be in the description. All right, so the next item would be my handy dandy heat press. Okay, I got my heat press, which is a Tusy heat press. I got it from Amazon, and I had been doing some research and seeing it around. I got it about, I want to say maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago I got it. It's been about 2 years since I had it. And I will post a link right here of my review on the video on the heat press when I got it. But this is the heat press. And basically, I got it from Amazon. They shipped it right to me, and it works. Been working good for me for the last 2 years. Haven't had any issues with it. My handy dandy heat press. Number 2. Okay, and number 3 would be my favorite vinyl cutter ever. Now, mind you, I had 2 silhouette cameos, right? One of them I sold, which I very much so regret. I sold it to be able to get my DTF printer. The DTF printer is broke. I can guarantee you the vinyl cutter would not have been. So I sold it. So I had the Silhouette Cameo 4 and the Silhouette Cameo 3. I chose to keep my 3 because of sentimental reasons, because it was my first vinyl cutter and I didn't want to get rid of it. This is my Silhouette Cameo 3. So as you see, you know, it has the little fold up door. You can get either one of them from Amazon. I'll leave both links for the 4 and the 3 in the description. A lot of the times when you order those on Amazon, they come as bundles. I like that about it, and they're a reasonable price on Amazon. So I really like, that's one of my most favorite. It should have been like number 1, but I didn't have these in order. But yeah, that is number 3, my Silhouette Cameo 3. My 4th item would be something that I really consider a must-have, especially with t-shirt making, because none of us are perfect, and sometimes you got to fix those mistakes. You got to fix them, okay? So here I have VLR. It is called Alba Chem, and it's called VLR, and it is a vinyl letter remover. So I have used this. I'll put a video right here of when I actually used it and show you how to remove vinyl from a t-shirt. This is a must-have item in your craft room. I've had it for about 2 years. It's Still a lot in here, and I think I might have spent $24 for it, which is well worth it. I've used it quite a few times. Last but not least, my Epson 7710. And yes, I got this from Amazon. A whole printer got shipped to me, free shipping. But I'm not sure if you can get an Epson 7710 from Amazon at the moment. But if you can, I will make sure that the link is in the description. But I'll also make sure I put the link for whatever one is available at the time that is just as good of Epson item, which would probably be the 7720. So that's actually, as of now, my top 5 items. I will be doing a series all on heat transfer paper. Also, be watching out for the new website coming out, which will be marcellasway.com, which will be catered to our channel here. It'll be the only place that you'll be able to get exclusive Marcella's Way merch. You'll be able to get all updates. At some point, we'll have a blog there. So it will be marcellasway.com. So you guys stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Until next time, I have a my way so I can inspire you guys to have it your way.